Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Plex app on your Amazon Firestick device. So the Plex is client-based server application that lets the user play any sort of media from computer to a Firestick or a mobile phone. This application will give the user to access storage from a computer directly from the Firestick or a mobile phone. So this application is officially available on Firestick App Store. If you want to download Plex on your Amazon Firestick device, so you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type your Plex app. When you type Plex, the suggestion below, second number search Plex app, then click on, and here as you can see dark Plex app, then click on. Now click on download button. So here as you can see downloading will be start. It will depending on your internet speed. So here as you can see application installed. Now you open application from here and also from home. So after installing application, click on. So after installing application, go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. Now press remote home button again for 3 seconds. Then click on apps. And here as you can see all installed application on Firestick device. So if you want to open that application, then scroll down, you will find that application. So here is the Plex application, then click on. So you can use this method to download Plex application on your Amazon Firestick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.